a life of Chris. Yeah, she a wife, a boss, and plus she a mama 3. Ain't never exploring, living a life on the border, no telling what she gonna see. An entrepreneur, she always looking to the future while currently getting it done. Really a vibe, so won't you come and subscribe? We gonna have us some fun, yeah.
Happy Thursday and happy spring break, all of Texas. I think the vast majority of Texas are on spring break because literally like trying to find something for us to do, like flying or going to like resorts or just anywhere in Texas, the prices were outrageous. Not only were things sold out, but things were like outrageous as far as pricing. Everything was more expensive this week compared to all the other weeks in Texas. So I just assume everybody's on spring break. But yeah, we're here in San Antonio for a couple of days, and I didn't vlog much at SeaWorld because I know y'all probably tired of me going to SeaWorld, but yeah, so you know, we got season passes for SeaWorld, so we just go there. What is it?
Let's go!
Let's say, where y'all going?
We're going to go to Texas for the hotel.
You want to go to Texas for the hotel? Hey, what is going on? So we are here at the Riverwalk Shops. I think that's what it's called. The center of the Riverwalk. We're basically in the Riverwalk at the mall. And we had ate dinner at the Sugar Factory. It was so good, y'all. It's funny because I remember seeing the Sugar Factory in Houston when we went to Houston last year for the Disney cruise. And I remember seeing it, but it wasn't open. They basically opened one in San Antonio now. If you guys don't know what the Sugar Factory is, basically it's a popular restaurant that a lot of celebrities go to, a lot of famous people go to. So of course the prices are gonna be pricing, but it was really, really good, and it was a vibe, and we really enjoyed ourselves. The kids are sugared up right now, but that's why we're letting them play so they can calm down and we can so we're waiting for them to calm down and then we can back to our hotel. Oh my goodness. Beep beep. They're matching. Oh, boys are matching. So our plan was to go to Aquatica today, but unfortunately it was closed because of the weather. But the weather ended up being not bad at all. So kids were a little upset that we couldn't go to Aquatica, but we'll come back eventually. So yeah, but we're enjoying our little staycation, just a little getaway. Anytime we get away, it is much needed, and I have a lot of fun. And we sleep really good too. I don't know what it is. I know people don't like traveling with their kids, but when we travel, we sleep really good. Okay, so y'all ready? Y'all ready? So yeah, so we're about to head out. Doing well. So we are finally back at home now. I can't believe how fast spring break went. It was like the kids just got on spring break and now it's already back to reality. So we're back at home now from San Antonio. We've just been resting and getting our lives together, because even though we went away for 2 days, it just seems like we did a lot and it went by really quick. But let me tell y'all something. I don't know about y'all. I know some people don't like traveling with kids, but let me tell you, traveling with kids can be some of the best sleep you get, okay? Because not only are the kids tired, but the parents are exhausted as well. And I swear we all, unless the beds at the hotel are uncomfortable or wherever you're staying at is uncomfortable, where you're traveling with kids, sometimes you get the best sleep ever. If you agree with me, let me know down below. Talking quality because everyone's sleeping in my house, but I realized that I need to end the vlog because, like I said, we went grocery shopping today and we just been resting and just getting our lives together, because it was literally hot one day and then the temperatures just dropped tremendously and it was cold and rainy today. So we just trying to rest to make sure our immune systems are good, because Troy he did come down with a little cold. We had a good time. So like I said, we just basically went to SeaWorld. We were going to go to Aquatica, but Aquatica was closed unfortunately because of the weather. It was raining in the morning, but there were no thunderstorms, nothing of the kind, and it ended up being like 80 something degrees. The kids were upset about that, but it's out of our control and there's nothing that we can do about it. So we just ended up going to SeaWorld, and then we went to the Riverwalk area. But yeah, we really didn't do as much. Just wanted to get away for a little bit. I'll have a full-on video, talking more about my postpartum depression, but I did share briefly on Instagram and TikTok, that I've been experiencing some postpartum depression, and I'm just trying to get through it. I have a video explaining more about my PPD and how I'm getting through it and everything. And one way that helps to get through it is just getting away and just doing something. Yeah, it should be up either Tuesday or Friday. Even though the weather sucked and everything, it's just always nice to get away. And we didn't want to do anything too expensive because with us planning our dream wedding, that is going to be a big cost and everything. So we're just trying to really be, we're just really trying to be within our budget and within our means as well. It's just a matter of sacrificing a lot to share. Yes, I would love to travel more. Yes, I would like to do more. Yes, I would like to shop more. We want to make sure that our event is one to remember, and it's just gonna require some sacrificing, of course, but it is what it is. But I'm glad that we were able to go away. So I don't want to talk you guys heads off. I gotta go edit this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys had a wonderful and safe and great spring break. Let me know down below what you did. Your spring break hasn't happened yet. Let me know when it is and what do you have planned for your spring break. I will have another wedding dress shopping video up this week as well. So at least I'll have 3 videos up this week, you guys. So I hope you guys are proud of me, and I just got to keep this going. I keep the consistency going. So stay tuned for that, because we did say yes to the dress. Yeah. So you guys will have to guess which one we went with. You have to guess. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell everyone that you know. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.